thank you once again for joining me on site today. Now, this termite mound may look familiar from one of our last videos. And what we're doing today is the treatment. We're going to do it in different parts. So this is part one. First, we're going to destroy this nest. So we're digging it out. And as you can see, there are some termites there. And we're going to dig this out. Then we're going to put a chemical on it as part one of this treatment. So stay tuned. Here, what we've got now is we've broken up the nest enough. We found out where the heart of the nest was, and it's actually quite warm when we touch the areas where the termites are actually living. We found the heart, broke it up enough, and now we're doing a spray chemical treatment on the nest here for part two. There's going to be a few parts today, as I said, as we move around and carry out a treatment on this property here today. Okay. So another part here. Okay, so we're doing these drill holes through the concrete, about every 300 mil or 30 centimetres. Alright, we do this along the whole edge of the home. This house is constructed on a slab. So you'd be thinking, oh, I don't think termites would get in there. Yeah, they're in there. And now we're treating the home. So we've got a big job to do to drill all these holes. I've only just started on this edge, and obviously it's quite a big home. So we're going to keep going, and then I'll show you what we do after that. Okay. Okay, so we're just on the other side here. There's two of us working this treatment today. And as you can see, whatever they've had here, termites have been underneath it, and you can see the trail as it's going here back to the dwelling. Now this is a brick veneer dwelling on a slab. Alright, it's in there. Okay, so we're going to use premise today. Suspendable concentrate is the SC 200, so it is a concentrate of what we're putting in. We've got a 400 litre tank, I think, and we're only putting in a small amount compared to it because obviously it is very strong. So on the ends here we've got these two little cuts and grooves. Alright, and we're going to use this spray gun, and then we're going to pop them in each hole, and we've done a test to how long we leave it in the hole for, pushing the chemical through, and we've determined 27 seconds per hole. So obviously every 300 mil we've got a hole in that direction, and obviously that direction and around the back as well. So we've been mixing it up. We got out the other concentrate that was used as more of a repellent, so we had to get that out, which we treated the nest with. And now we're going to use this one to complete the process. And then we're going to use the concrete that we've collected from around the holes. Alright, we're going to use that concrete, and then we patch it back over with a bit of water, and then you should be able to match the concrete. So we've got the generator running again now, getting ready for the next stage. How exciting! Okay, just to show you, this is actually a hardwood timber frame. Well, it's the door architrave, or the jamb of the door. But look what we've got here. Okay, this part's fine. You can sort of, there you go, feel a little bit there. But obviously this area here, it's quite affected there by previous termite attack. And obviously there's your bath, alright, there's your shower, and this is the door here to the separate WC, which is the water closet or the toilet. Alright, so we've got lots of places within the home where we've found termite attack. Okay, so we've done the invasive. We've made a hole in the wall here. The bathroom's on the adjacent side, on the opposite side of this wall. This is where the bath is, and this is the bath housing. I'll just try to show you with the torch there what we've got. We've got the excrement here, where I've put the high beam on from the torch. Okay, and that's from the termites. So we know that they've been in here. There is a trail. They've followed the service pipe into the home, but there is no secondary nest, which is great to hear. Trying to get out of the sun there. I don't know if you can see this hole. When we pumped into this hole, pushed out all of these termites. Now, I don't know if you can see, but because of the light glare, the sun glare that I can see, I can't see the screen myself, but I'll have a look later. But yeah, these are termites. So this is what was obviously here under the slab, secondary nest, we could say. And look at them, they're everywhere. So they've all come out of this hole. It's fantastic. So we nearly finished our treatment here today. We've gone around, we've done about 250 holes, and we put a bit of the cement that we pulled out back on so we can match the colour. Okay, and patch it up and clean up and make sure everything is good to go. Look at that. Fantastic. Alrighty.